welcome back to 10mm Socket Garage. Well boys, I've been working on a secret little project on the side. It's a bed stack, but there's a problem. I couldn't find the stack that I wanted. I've searched high and low for a custom stack or something that I can use, but with no luck. So what I did was, I rolled up my sleeves and I decided to make my own. I spent hours on the internet looking for the custom stack that I liked, but with no luck. So I decided to take things into my own hand. Armed with a tape measure, some papers and some pencils, I started to sketch out the stack for my truck. After a while, I finally settled for a design that I was happy with. This is it. With the design finalized, it was time to build it. Alright, after all that, with putting a few holes in the bed, actually one big one, we got it installed. There she is, still needs to paint, but I'm really curious to see how bad it's gonna drone in the cab. So let's find out right now. No drone. Put on the AC for a moment because it's hot. It's really not bad at idle. A little bit RPM. It's a little droney, but the boom tube was 10 times worse. And when I wanted to get loud, instant goes away. Ha! Okay, here we are with all windows closed. Let's give it a drive. The drone is really not there. It's not gonna bother me. But I love how it sounds. I think this is the best sounding exhaust I had on this truck till now. This is window slightly open. And there you have it. My custom stack installation is complete. I couldn't be happier the way it turned out. Not only that it looks amazing, but it also sounds amazing. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.